Hello travel lovers, welcome to iArt Studio. This is ishweryabharath. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Click this link to watch the other parts of this vlog. How cool it is to watch the sun slowly rising by your bedside. This is an amazing stay at Lake Jindabyne. The day started with a nice burger and coffee. And we started to drive towards snowy mountains. We stopped to see this frozen lake on the way to Mount Kosciuszko. The lake got frozen due to constant minus degrees, but luckily it was a sunny day that kept us warm. What a scenic spot to see the snowy mountains from, right? And here we are in the Mount Kosciuszko, mainland Australia's highest mountain at 2,228 meters above sea level. These bushes covered by snow is very attractive, and I love to walk on the snow. Trust me, this is outstanding. Do not miss this place, guys. Visit this when you get a chance. It is located on the main range of the snowy mountains in Kosciuszko National Park, part of the Australian Alps National Parks and Reserves in New South Wales, and is located west of Krakenbach and close to Jindabyne. You can do snow sports, walks and mountain biking in the snowy mountains, go camping, explore caves, climb Australia's highest mountain, or just stay in an iconic accommodation. I am very curious to put together the things I enjoyed in snowy mountains. I missed watching people skiing there as it didn't start, so I decided to include it in my painting, and I also felt that it would be great if it was snowing, hence made an art that had a perfect snowy mountain. To watch these glow in sunlight is a real bliss. The snow was beautiful to watch on these tiny rocks, and it was frozen completely. By the afternoon, we grabbed fried rice for lunch in the town center. On the way back from snowy mountains, we stopped in this mind-blowing location to capture some beautiful reference pictures for the future paintings. Stop the car wherever you want and enjoy the beauty of that place. We stopped by a park to see the sunset behind the trees. For dinner, we headed to the town center to taste the Mexican food in a lively place. Even though it was a little pricey, the food didn't fail to tickle our taste buds. The jalapeno poppers was out of the world, and churros was a perfect dessert to wind up the long day. Travel gives you mixed feelings. It just makes us feel that we have got a new life, and we urge to write a new story with beautiful travel memories lingering in our head. Get set and plan your trip to experience this by yourself. Share your comments below if you want me to do more art and travel in future. Subscribe to iArt Studio for exciting videos. See ya!